is water and sunlight. Then you start now. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, can you show to your friends? Okay, we go. The first color is red. The first color is red. Color. Okay. Now we for the last layer. How many rows I have? Sorry. Okay, can you see? Do you read the color? Red, orange, yellow, red, blue, purple, and white. Okay, you want to start the color from red first or blue? Okay, you start now? Okay. The color is blue.